Hi children, welcome to our biology class. I believe that all of you did the activities that I given in the previous class. Today we are going to learn about 2 kingdom, 5 kingdom and 6 kingdom classification and about virus. Okay children, let's start our class. Earlier, organisms were classified under 2 large categories, namely Kingdom Plantae, it includes plants, and Kingdom Animalia, it includes animals. This classification is 2 kingdom classification. Robert H. Whittaker, an American botanist, he classified organisms into 5 kingdoms. Children, look at the table. 5 kingdom classification. Kingdom, organisms included in the kingdom, specularities are given in the table. First, kingdom Monera. Bacteria is included in this kingdom. Its specularity is unicellular organisms without nucleus. The second kingdom is Protista. Amoeba is included in this kingdom and its specularities is unicellular organisms with a nucleus. Third kingdom is fungi. Mushrooms are included in this kingdom. The peculiarities of this kingdom are it's non-motile, that means it is not moving, heterotrophic, unicellular or multicellular. Heterotrophic means organisms that cannot manufacture its own food. The next kingdom is Plantae. Plants are included in this kingdom. Its peculiarities are autotrophic, that means prepare its own food. Multicellular, non-motile organisms. The last kingdom is Kingdom Animalia. Animals are included in this kingdom. Its peculiarities are heterotrophic multicellular organisms that have a capacity of locomotion. In the past, the knowledge of the peculiarities of microorganisms like bacteria was limited. Later, it was found out that the archaebacteria belonging to the kingdom Monera are different from the other bacteria in cell structure and physiological function. So the kingdom Monera was further divided into 2 kingdoms, namely archaea and bacteria. Besides this, one more level of classification named domain was added above the kingdom. Carl Vaux, an American scientist who proposed this 6 kingdom classification. So in 5 kingdom classification, the kingdom Monera are further divided into 2 kingdoms, Kingdom Archaea and Kingdom Monera. Besides this, one more level of classification named domain was added above the kingdom. So then it becomes 6 kingdom classification. The 6 kingdom classification was proposed by Carl Vaux. Children, let's discuss the limitations of 2 kingdom classification. In this classification, it did not include the other group of organisms like bacteria. This is the various levels of classification of human beings based on the 6 kingdom classification. Here human beings include in the domain Eukarya, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primates, family Hominidae, genus Homo, species Sapiens. Next about virus. Now you are familiar with coronavirus. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. This is Ebola virus. According to World Health Organization reports, A total of 9,208 have died of Ebola. This is human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. It causes a disease named AIDS. Virus, it is acellular, that is single cell. It have only a protein coat and the genetic material. It is a pathogen causative organism of many dreaded diseases. That means it causes many diseases. It cannot be destroyed easily. It can leave only a live cell. It is inactive in the outside cell. When it enters the host cell, it multiplies rapidly using the materials there. It multiplies rapidly and it destroys that cell. Then it enters into the new cells. Children, I hope all of you understood and enjoyed today's class. Next class, we will recollect all the points from this chapter. So all of you study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.